Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I will show you how to add drop shadow to an image in Canva. So as you can see here, this is an image, a PNG, and I have added a shadow to that like this. You can change the angle of the shadow, and you can also change the transparency and other things as well, and you can add different types of shadows as well in Canva. Canva is getting better and better every couple of days. They are adding new features, and recently they have added a drop shadow option for images as well. So in this video we will be looking at this. So I have created a document of 8.5 into 11 and named it as image drop shadow. So you can take any image uploaded from your computer. You can't add shadows to elements. You can only add drop shadows to your PNGs and JPEGs. So drop an image. I am changing the image. Like if you want to add drop shadow to this one, select an image. You can also add the rocket image, but I am changing this. And to add a shadow to this image, just go to select the image, go to effects, and here you will see shadows, and then click on select all, and there are different types of shadows: glow, drop, angle, backdrop, page lift, curved. I have used this one for the example purpose used before. So you can see a shadow has been added to this image. Just enlarge this one. So now we can change the angle and size of the shadows. Just go back to effects, and you can see here, once you have selected a shadow, you can see some sort of controls. Like click on drop shadow, and once you click on drop shadow, you will see some sort of controls, these. So once you click on the controls, you will see this. Just click on offset to change the distance of the shadow, and you can also change the angle of the shadow to rotate up and down. You can also select the position of the shadow, bottom or right or bottom left or left. Then there are many options there. I am selecting bottom right. So you can also change the transparency, and this works like this, and you can also change the blur of the drop shadow like this. You can also click on reset to go back to default options. So in this way we can add shadows to our images using Canva, and this is very cool feature and free of cost. So just add shadow to our previous image, that was rocket. Select the image, go to effects, and click on shadows, and then click on drop shadow. And once you clicked on drop shadow, just click on the controls, and you will be here at the controls panel of this shadow. Just increase the offset like this, or change the angle. You can also change the type of shadow. Just cancel the previous one and just select this one, that is curved, and it will add some sort of curved shadow. Then click again on, and this works well with any straight images. Like for example, if you want to add shadow to this type of image, and now just go to effects, and you can add a shadow that is other than drop, and that is curved one, and you will notice a beautiful curved shadow below the image. Just click on the controls and change the offset, change the blur, and you can also change the color of this drop shadow. Any color you can choose from here, or black. This looks fine to me. So this is very cool feature in Canva, and it is also available in the free version. I am using free version. You can see here I haven't upgraded to paid version yet. So this is all from me today. This is a very quick video about adding drop shadows to images. I hope you will like this, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.